All right, viewers, our top story now. You know, if you go back to cliches, there used to be a time when cylinder blasts, young brides catching fire, being killed in the name of dowry used to be published. We used to see them in print very, very often. Then a dowry law came about which cut a huge amount of the deaths due to dowry in terms of murders that we saw completely come down. But having said that, it's been 8 decades since India has been independent, and we continue to see such cases. The latest is a very young girl, and that's the sad, tragic part. Nikki Bhati of Greater Noida, she's just about 26. The death of this vibrant young mother of 5, a 5-year-old, has shocked the nation, but then she's not the only one. Take a look at this report.
She was beautiful and young, full of life and dreams. She believed in family, traditions, and also being independent. And that last trait led her to her death. Nikki died of severe burn injuries on 21st August. Most news reports suggest she was 26 years old when she died, a mother of a 5-year-old toddler, married for nearly 9 years to Vipin Bhati. Nikki's family alleged that she was killed for dowry and her husband and in-laws set her on fire.
ये तो कुछ दिन बाद डालने लगे थे।
शादी के कुछ दिन बाद से।
हाँ, बच्चा होगा, बुलेट मोटरसाइकिल दे दी हमने, शादी में स्कॉर्पियो दी थी। जो सामाजिक तौर से शादी होती है वो शादी की थी हमने। पैसा ही मांगे थे 35 लाख रुपए।
शादी के बाद वो भी आपने दिया। उसके बाद ये जो मारपीट के बाद आना, ये आपको बेटी ने कुछ बताया कि इसके बारे में?
बताया है उसने, बेटी ने। हम मौके पर गए, हम बेटी मंगवा ली हमने, जब ज़्यादा इनने बदतमीजी कर।
बेटी ने क्या बताया था?
बेटी ने कराया, बताया दारू पी का आता, 12-1 बजे आता, वही पैसे नहीं कहता, ये कहता। तो हमने उसका पार्लर का काम भी करवाया, बिटिया का पार्लर का काम 1.5 लाख रुपए दे के खुलवाया, खुद देखवा के। मैंने कहा इन्हें डोलन दो, तुम अपना काम करो, इन बच्चे ने पढ़ाओ। हाँ, उस पर भी मांगे थे वो कि तुम 1 लाख कमाती हो, 50 मुझे दो।
Nikki's sister was also married in the same family to Vipin's brother, Rohit.
पहले हमारे साथ मारपीट हो रही थी, काफी दिन से हमें टॉर्चर करता जा रहा था कि तुम्हारी शादी में ये नहीं मिला, वो नहीं मिला, इतने पैसे लाओ, अपने घर से 36 लाख रुपए लाओ। उसके बाद सास ने कुछ मिट ला के रखा घर में, हमें दिया। फिर मेरी छोटी बहन के ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा अत्याचार करा, उसके सर में, गले में बहुत सारी चीजें मारी और उसके बाद उसके ऊपर तेजाब डाल दिया।
A year back, Nikki's husband was caught in public with another woman. Both sisters went back to their parents' home early this year. A panchayat was called to resolve the marital discord.
मेरी बेटी के साथ तो 7 साल से अत्याचार हो रहा थे, पर वो जैसे हमारा समाज है, गुजर समाज है, कुछ देख लो, पंचायत है, बीच में फैसला, अकब ना होगा, मैं सॉरी मांग रहा हूँ, गलती मांग रहा हूँ। उसके बाद कुछ दिन तक ऐसा ही चला। पिछले साल बिटिया के साथ फिर मार पिटाई की है, 11 फरवरी को करी थी, सास ने मारी थी, उसने मारी है, तो मैं मानी है जो लड़की के लिए।
Nikki Bhati is not the only one. Dowry tortures leading to deaths of daughters continued 78 years after independence of India. In Jodhpur, a woman named Sanju and her 3-year-old daughter were found in a suspiciously burnt condition at their home. Sanju Bishnoi was a government school teacher. The cause of her death was assault by her husband over dowry demands. In Madhya Pradesh, 23-year-old Khushbu escaped just in time after her husband allegedly tied her up, tortured her, and when she cried out in pain, he inserted a heated knife into her mouth. The accused husband, Dilip, was reportedly intoxicated. Married in February this year, Dilip did not like her, but he wanted dowry from his wife. He burnt her with a hot knife across her torso, arms and legs, leaving multiple severe burnt marks. Bureau Report, India Today.